Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to uninstall Eclipse from our Windows 10 machine. So let's start. So if you're new to Eclipse, then you find it hard to delete or uninstall Eclipse from your computer because Eclipse does not provide the uninstaller in our control panel. So let's see how we can delete Eclipse. Go to your search bar, type Eclipse again, and from here, click on Open File Location and right click here and click on Move to File Location. So it will take us to our current user, Eclipse, and the Eclipse version we have installed. So we can install multiple versions, so there may be multiple folder inside Eclipse. So it's up to you. If you want to delete one of them or all of them, you can delete all. So I'll go back one step more and I'll delete Eclipse from here completely. So I'll just delete Eclipse. It's take a little time. So one more step with this. So if you want to delete your project folders, project area, all the projects you have created using Eclipse, you can delete from here. So I want to delete them. So make sure if you need those projects in future, don't delete this folder. Only delete that one and your Eclipse will gone from your system. So I am deleting this because I want to delete. So let's back to search bar and type here Eclipse and open it. So you see it says eclipse.exe not found. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel, like the video. You can find more videos on how to install latest Eclipse, how to write a a hello world program in Java, and many more related to PHP and tech. So good luck guys.